Hello and welcome to Sue Findlay Designs. This is another video that I created last year and I found in my archives. For this one, again, it's another quick and simple video using just 3 colours this time, and instead of using the heat gun, I'm actually going to use my hairdryer to blow the resin. Now, quite often I'm asked, can you use a hairdryer to blow the resin? And you can. I do generally prefer to use a heat gun, but sometimes there's incidents where I feel that the heat gun is not blowing it quite enough, and although I'm not looking for a lot of heat, I'm actually looking for more movement, so a hairdryer works well. So here I'm just zapping the bubbles, and this is the point where I realised that the heat gun was not really moving it as much as I wanted, so I went and got my hairdryer, and as you can see, it's blowing the resin much more than the heat gun would do. So you need to be careful that you obviously don't blow it too much and blow the resin off the back end. And as always, I like to use the acrylic diamonds for extra interest and texture in a piece, because it just, it just gives it just that little bit extra than just a flat resin would give. So this is always something that I like to add to the pieces. Now here I'm just adding a touch of white to just create some extra lines and movement, and again just giving that a quick blow with the hairdryer. As always, I'll leave a list of the products used in the description below. So here I've just added some spray paint into the cup and added a little bit of mineral turpentine to the spray paint, and I'm just drizzling that in certain areas where I just want to add a little bit of gold to the piece. And it's just a hint of gold, there's not a lot of gold added to this, so I'm being very mindful of where I'm placing it and I'm not going too mad with it, because you can quite often overdo things by just adding too much, so you have to remember when to say enough is enough. So I'm just adding some extra diamonds where I feel it just needed a little bit of extra texture, and using a spoon helps to add those diamonds without causing too much trouble, and this makes it a lot easier with the spoon. And again, I'm just adding a little touch more gold in certain areas just to give it a little bit of extra sparkle and shine when the light hits it from certain directions. So like I say, this is a very simple project that is quite easy for beginners to tackle, because there's not a lot to it. There's just 3 colours, it's a relatively small board, and it's just acrylic diamonds with a little bit of spray paint. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, or better still, subscribe to my channel. I have lots of other videos and ideas for you for your resin art. Please also leave in the comments below any tips or suggestions you would like me to see me making. So until the next video, bye for now.